So guys, today I'm going to be giving you guys my first look and my honest opinion on the Samsung Galaxy S22. So, as you guys know, the S22 will stand for 2022, just like we had last year with the S21 series. That was in 2021. We're in 2022, so Samsung has decided to call their new generations of the Galaxy phones the Samsung Galaxy S22. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about the lineup and giving you guys my honest opinion, like I said, and giving you guys a first look. So basically, first of all, just want to start by letting you guys know, if you do enjoy my videos, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also like the video, share the video, and comment down below and tell me if this video was actually meaningful to you. And yeah, on the table I got this is a package. This is a package for my PC build for 2022. If you want to watch that video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button because it's going to be a really good video. But yeah, I've got the RAM. I'm buying parts very slowly at the moment. So yeah, I've got the RAM sticks here. I'm going to give you guys a little hint. These are the Corsair RAM sticks. You know what? I'll show you guys. These are the Corsair RAM sticks. For my new PC. These are 3600 megahertz, and there are two in here, which is 16 gig, and I've got two packs, which will give me 32 gig, which is going to be awesome, plenty enough, and especially the speed is running on 3600, which is just going to be amazing. But anyway, let's come back to the video on the Samsung Galaxy S22. Right, so the S22 lineup, to me, kind of doesn't make sense. I'm not gonna lie, it does not make sense. I'm in that situation, I'm in that path in life right now that Samsung just is not cutting it for me. Samsung is just not doing me proud. The technology is, no, I mean, not even their technology, I mean their phone, their devices, the thing that sits in my pocket every single day of my whole life. It's just has not been wowing me at all. And obviously they had the Samsung Galaxy S21 that came out last year, which was okay. I mean, okay, it wasn't okay, it was perfect, it was awesome because it had the 108 megapixel camera there, so it was just so hyped, and it was so good because no one ever seen a 108 megapixel camera in a phone, so it was very exciting. And then the S22 came out, which is what I have right now, my daily driver every single day. And for me personally, I didn't really see the point of it because there wasn't much that was changed at all, because the camera was still the same. The only thing different was just the software of the cameras. And if you took a picture with the Samsung Galaxy S22 and the S21 Ultra, I mean both S21 Ultra and S22 Ultra, you would notice that it's exactly the same picture, but the only thing is the sharpness, and that's it. The sharpness on the S22 Ultra is much better than the sharpness on the S21 Ultra. But the colors on the S21 Ultra is so much more vibrant than the S22 Ultra. So it's just, I don't know, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra camera is still an amazing camera, but then this just kind of just doesn't top it up. It just kind of just revises it just a tiny little bit in the sharpness. That's about it. And then now the Samsung Galaxy S22 that's going to be coming out. Oh no, wait, what am I talking about? The Samsung Galaxy S20 and the S21. Sorry guys, my mistake. And then the Samsung Galaxy S22 that's going to be coming out now. What's going to happen? I mean, we already know it's going to still have that 108 megapixel sensor in the camera, and pretty much everything on the phone is pretty much going to be the same and similar to the Samsung Galaxy S22. I mean the S21 Ultra, but the only difference, the only big massive major difference is on the camera module. It's not going to be redesigned like it is now. It's going to be designed as a single cameras, so it's going to have a more certain. Let me show you guys a picture. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's going to look pretty much like that. So the camera modules are going to be round and kind of just on their own separately. That's pretty much all the difference there is on this phone, and plus the fact that it's going to come with an S Pen, which honestly I'm really not a fan of, and the fact that the phone is going to look a little bit more like the Samsung Galaxy. No, they're not the Samsung Galaxy. I mean the Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Note series. It's going to have a more boxier kind of look to it, which I'm not really a fan of either. And this is what I mean when it comes to Samsung just not doing it for me anymore. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love Samsung to bits. I absolutely love Samsung. I love all their products, especially their devices. It's just absolutely awesome. But obviously from the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which I have now, it's kind of something that I have to do when the S22 comes out, which is upgrade to the S22. But it's just not cutting it for me right now, and I'm in I'm in two minds right now. Obviously, the Samsung Galaxy the Galaxy Ultra and the Galaxy Ultra and the Galaxy series range is always the more superior phone and the more high advanced in technology wise devices from Samsung. And for me to stick with Samsung, I want to get the Ultra devices. But the fact that the Ultra looks the way it looks for the Galaxy S22, the S22, it's just not worth it for me to get, because I don't really like the way it looks. I don't want to get it because I like the Ultra phones. So, like I said, two minds. I can either go down to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, because that's still going to look like an actual smartphone and not like the Note, or get an iPhone. And I really do not want to do that, but I'm going to have to, because Samsung, the way that I've been brought up and the way I've used Samsung devices, they've always impressed me, and they're just absolutely awesome. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus I had, that just dragged me straight out to Samsung, and I loved it. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, when it came out, I literally fell in love, and I feel like I'm not falling in love anymore with Samsung, with the devices they bring out, because it's just not it at all for me. But yeah, that's my real opinion right now, and I honestly think there's going to be a lot more people out there in my space ahead thinking what I'm thinking, and just not really, eager to get the new Galaxy S22. I mean, it's still early days, because Samsung actually hasn't mentioned this device or even brought it out or even spoke to us about it or even said anything, but we're just going through the details that we have from leaks and renders and stuff like that from obviously the internet. But obviously when Samsung brings the phone out, then I'll make my decision. Then I'll see if it's really what I want to get, or if I want to step down, unfortunately, to the Plus models, or even leave Samsung and get an iPhone. Because right now the iPhone is just absolutely awesome. It looks good. The camera is so much better than, I'm so sorry to say this, and it hurts me to say this, it's better than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And the S22 Ultra is meant to be the best phone with the best camera as well. So yeah, I don't know. I really honestly do not know. I just need this phone to come out so I can really just put my fingers to what I want to do. But yeah, anyway guys, that's been me just ranting about the new Galaxy S22 series that's going to come out. But yeah, anyway, if you guys are in the same boat as me and you feel the same way I feel, just comment down below and tell me, because I need to know if I'm the only one that's feeling like this, or if you guys obviously are feeling like this as well. But yeah, anyway guys, I know I haven't uploaded for a while, and that's because I've been very busy. And yeah, I will be uploading more, because there's going to be more things coming out this year, so more content is going to be pumped out as well. Anyway guys, I'm off to the gym now, and yeah, I'm going to probably edit this video when I get back, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.